If you want to automate tasks on your website and save time doing repetitive work, then learning how to set up a cron job in Hostinger is a great skill to have. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from finding the cron jobs tool inside Hostinger to creating a schedule and saving your first task correctly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your hosting tools and website settings in one place. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct hosting account before continuing. Next, look for the advanced section. In some Hostinger layouts, you may also see a path that says hosting, then manage. Both routes can lead you to the same place, so don't worry if your dashboard looks a little different. The main goal here is to get into the hosting management area where the cron settings are located. Once you're in the right section, open Cron Jobs. This is the tool Hostinger gives you for scheduling commands to run automatically at specific times. A cron job is useful for tasks like running a script, updating data, sending emails, clearing cache, or handling maintenance tasks without you having to do it manually every time. After opening Cron Jobs, you'll be ready to create a new cron job. This is where the actual automation starts. Hostinger will usually give you a form or set of fields where you can choose the type of command and define when it should run. Now choose whether you want to use PHP or a custom command. If your task is related to a PHP script, selecting PHP is usually the easiest option. If you need to run something more specific, like a shell command or a custom script, then use the custom option instead. Pick the one that matches the task you're trying to automate, because using the wrong type can prevent the job from running properly. Then enter the command you want to run. This is the most important part of the setup, because cron jobs only work if the command is written correctly. Double check the path, the file name, and any parameters you include. If you are using a script, make sure the file exists in the correct location on your hosting account. After that, choose your schedule. Hostinger will let you define the timing using minute, hour, day, month, and week options. This is what controls how often your command runs. For example, you might want it to run every hour, once a day, or only on certain days of the week. Take your time here, because the schedule determines how often the automation happens. If you're not sure what schedule to use, start with a simple one. A common approach is to run the job once per day or once per hour, depending on the task. That makes it easier to test and confirm that everything is working before you move to a more advanced schedule. Once the command and schedule are set, click Save. This tells Hostinger to store the cron job and activate it according to the timing you selected. After saving, your cron job will run automatically in the background based on the schedule you created. If you want to be extra careful, go back and review the cron job after saving it. Make sure the command is correct, the schedule matches your needs, and there are no typos in the path or file name. A small mistake in a cron job can stop it from working, so it's always worth double checking before you leave the page. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up a cron job in Hostinger. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time by automating repeated tasks on your website or server. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.